guys! Welcome back to my channel! In today's vlog, we're going to make sushi, California Maki, and Onigiri. So, come on, let's start! First, we will make the sushi rice. Here are the ingredients that we need. 400 grams of Japanese rice and 200 ml sushi vinegar. You can click the link on the description below to see or to watch how I make this sushi vinegar. Now we will get a 400 grams of Japanese rice. Then we will wash it 6 to 7 times. Make sure you're not too aggressive with the rice para hindi po madurog yung grains ng ating rice. It seems too many po yung pagwash natin sa rice. It is just because we need to make sure to remove the starch of the rice para hindi maging sticky maigi yung ating rice. Then after that, we will use a strainer and then we will let it dry for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will put the rice grain on a casserole. Then after that, we will add 360 ml of water. The ratio of the rice to water is 10:9. Now, we will soak it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will now turn on the heat and set it on the fire. We will cook it on high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, sinaan natin yung apoy and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. And then, turn off the heat and rest it for 10 minutes also. Next, kuha lang tayo ng isang lagayan kung saan natin maaaring i-mix yung ating rice with the sushi vinegar. Now, I will separate it a bit. And the ratio for mixing the vinegar with the rice is 3:1. So we cook 400 grams of uncooked rice, so we need a 132 grams of sushi vinegar. Then kakalat lang nating mabuti yung vinegar sa rice. Make sure na you will not crush the grains of the rice. Make sure that every grains of the rice can get sushi vinegar. Next, we will do the sushi California Maki and the Onigiri. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, we will just chop all the ingredients that we will put in sushi California Maki and Onigiri. It depends on you. What fillings would you like to put inside? For me, the fillings that I choose are tocino, eggs, carrot, bell pepper, celery, cucumber, cheese, and tuna. First, we will make the sushi. In making sushi, the first thing you need to do is get the sushi rice that we made earlier and put it on top of the dried seaweed. Like this. And we will spread it evenly on top of it. Pupunan lang natin lahat ng ibabaw ng dried seaweed ng sushi rice. Tatap-tap lang natin para dumikit yung rice sa seaweed. After sushi rice, we can now put the fillings that we would like to put inside. For me, I choose egg, then carrots, cucumber, bell pepper, celery, tocino, avocado, ayusin lang natin, then we will roll it now. Like this. Make sure na mahigpit po yung pagkaka-roll nyo para hindi bumuka uli yung ating sushi. Yan, pipisit-pisit mo lang. Like this. I-form nyo lang hanggang maging circle. And yan, pagkatapos, i-chop na natin siya. Make sure na wet yung ating knife sa pag-chop ng ating sushi para hindi dumikit yung rice. Hindi mahirap siyang i-chop. Then, that's it. Tapos na ang ating sushi. Next is the California Maki. It's just same procedure lang, just like the sushi. Ang pinagkaiba lang po ay ang rice ay nasa labas. Yun, pupunayin lang natin ng rice yung dried seaweed. Then, after that, pag napuno na natin rice and dried seaweed, we're going to flip it. Yung other side ang lalagyan natin ng fillings. Ganun pa rin. You can put whatever kind of fillings would you like to put inside. Yun, again, I put egg, bell pepper, carrots, celery, then cucumber, tuna. This time I put tuna here. It's up to you. Then after that, na nalagay na natin yung mga fillings, we will roll it now. Just like what I said, the different only is nasa labas yung rice ng California Maki. Yan, i-roll lang natin hanggang ma-form ng circle again. Roll and roll, like that. Then now, we will chop it. Just like what I said, kailangan wet yung ating knife para hindi dumikit. And that's it. We're done. We now have California Maki. And lastly, we will make a onigiri. First, get a bowl and put the sushi rice. Then, add some mayonnaise. And then, yung mga fillings na nilagay nyo dun sa sushi and California Maki, you can now put it here also. The tocino, the tuna, the egg, carrots, but make sure na dice nga lang yung pagkaka-chop sa mga ingredients in here. Cucumber, the celery, and then after that, mimix lang natin together para magsama-sama sila. Then, after mixing, we will form a ball. Make sure your hands are clean when you touch it. Yan, form lang tayo ng ball, and then pag nakagawa na tayo ng ball, tatalian lang natin ng dried seaweed. Babasain lang natin ng water yung dulo para dumikit. Siya. And ganun lang, gawin nyo din po sa iba pa para hanggang maubos yung ating ingredients. And now, that's it. We now have onigiri. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and push the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga susunod na video ko. And before this video ends, I would like to shout out to Engineering Life, Sherlyn Vlog, and Jason TV. And sa lahat po ng gusto magpa-shout out, just comment down with the hashtag Jhazz shoutout para ma-shoutout po kayo sa mga susunod na video ko. And that's it. Bye-bye!